Hey guys, another night, another Artrage painting, and this one in Artrage 6, of course, the new release of Artrage. I'm using the custom brush. I was playing around today with the custom brush creator and I just stumbled onto gold and I couldn't help myself. I was super busy today, had a lot to do. It was a chore day, not a painting day, and I just decided, you know what, this brush is too fun. I gotta bust out a little painting. And I worked on it here and there all through the day where I could find little gaps of time. And this is the outcome. I recorded my progress I wanted to share with you. So the brush I made has a really strong similarity to the oil brush that's default to Artrage, you know, that tool that's in the tool set and the toolbar on the lower left hand side. But I actually like this even more. It feels even more like real oil paint than the default oil brush. And I was so excited about it that I just had to get into it, record it, and share it with you. I am using the actual oil brush here just to put in some of the big marks in the background. And here it is, a little freeze frame of the progress thus far. And now I'm going to dump in with a paint bucket tool a background of that kind of peachy color that's reflected on her cheeks through her rose tinted glasses. Love this vintage feel, love the color palette. And this image comes, it's a crop of an image from, I believe, Rouge is the name of the clothing company. It's a clothing company out of France. Occasionally I'll jump onto their Instagram and look at their photography. I always get inspiration with color palettes. I love the mood of the moments that they capture with the models. So this one was one of those that I absolutely loved, and I felt like it would be a great painting to test out Artrage 6 as an oil painting software to compete with the very best oil painting software out there. This felt like real paint, and I'm using pretty much exclusively the brush I created with the real stiff version of the oil brush with some real thick paint with the new depth setting. And then I used the Frost palette knife. Now the Frost palette knife will interact with the new oil brush in a really cool way. It'll make a very distressed, very almost like frosted glass kind of ice crystal-y kind of distortion. And then as I come to the end of this, I use the traditional default palette knife to add a little bit more of that distressing. So kind of breaking up the surface, making sure you know it's a painting, playing with it a little bit. And that's it, you guys. Had a blast with this one. I'm loving Artrage 6 a lot, and hopefully you guys are getting a chance to check it out, get inspired, and learn a little bit. I'll put my brushes online as soon as I can. Probably put them up for my Patreon first, and then we'll go from there. But thanks for watching, guys. Y'all are the best. Take care.